Hi guys, what will happen when we blow into the straw? As you blow, the air from your mouth travels through the straw and enters both the balloons, inflating it. A very similar process takes place inside our bodies too. When we breathe in air, our lungs expand or increase in size. This process is called inhalation. Whereas during exhalation, the lungs relax or decrease in size, releasing the air outside. The process of inhalation and exhalation of air together is called breathing. The air enters our body through the openings present at the tip of the nose called nostrils and moves further into the nasal passage. There are tiny hairs covering the interiors of the nasal passage that help to trap the incoming dust particles and germs present in the air. Through the nasal passage, the air enters into a long narrow tube called the windpipe or the trachea, which runs down the middle of the throat. The trachea branches out into two smaller tubes called the bronchi, one of which goes into the right lung and the other goes into the left lung. It is through the bronchi that the air enters into the left and right lungs. We have a pair of spongy air-filled lungs, which are one of the largest organs of our body. Lungs are dark red in color, situated in the chest cavity on either side of the heart. Within the lungs, there are tiny air pockets called alveoli, through which the exchange of oxygen and carbon dioxide takes place. The oxygen from the alveoli flows into the blood and then into all the body organs. At the same time, the carbon dioxide from the body goes into the lungs. From the lungs, the carbon dioxide is released out into the atmosphere. So the entire process of breathing is very similar to what happens when we blow air into a balloon. On the outside, it only appears as if you were taking in and giving out air, but on the inside, you have an entire system working on it, the respiratory system.